The intention behind it's to make a work of art, and that work of art is a scream for freedom. That's been ultimately Christo's inner drive. When we put the fabric on, all of a sudden this building, the bâtiment, as they say in French, starts moving with the wind, and it becomes it has a different sensuality. It has a different different feel. This feel of temporariness. It's only for 16 days, and it will be gone. And ultimately, it's a work of art. It's in a sort of a memorial. We didn't do a memorial for Christo. He didn't want one, and this is the memorial for him now. People can come and enjoy the Arc de Triomphe wrap.